Hello, aspirants. Welcome to Homelands Education. We at Homelands provide you education related to your core concepts of maths, science, and English. Here, we always conduct the live classes for 8th, 9th, and 10th English, maths, and science. And now, as there are Olympiads are due in September to January. So we have planned for Olympiad of Maths, that is IMO International Mathematics Olympiad, IEO International English Olympiad, and NSO National Science Olympiad. In the series of these lectures, at the first, this is the basic about our nature, about our solar system, about our universe. So today, in this series of the lecture, I will discuss about the solar system, stars, planets, moons, etc., and about the statistics that how many old, how much distance of that planet from sun, the rotation period, and the revolution period. We will discuss statistics of the solar system in our universe. First of all, why it is called a solar system? There are many planetary systems like ours in the universe. There may be the Earth, Moon, planetary system, that is the solar. So our planetary system is called the solar system because we use the word solar to describe things related to our host star. See the host star? Host star means sun. We here planetary system is located in an outer spiral arm of the Milky Way galaxy. So our solar system, here our host star is the planet, and other planets are revolving around this host star, that is the sun. What are the other planets? Other planets are the planetary system located in an outer spiral arm of the Milky Way. Let's see the picture. As you are seeing in this image of the solar system, that there is a sun, then is the Mercury, the another planet, it is the nearest to the sun. Second planet is Venus, that is far from the Mercury, but it is a brightest star, and you can see it in evening and morning through your naked eyes. Then is the Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, Pluto, Uranus, etc. All these are the stars. So our solar system consists of our star, the sun, and everything bound to it by gravitational force, by the gravity, the planet Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. Here, one thing the NASA has discovered time to time, and it states about the status of the stars, status about the status of the planet. So there are categories of the planet. One category, that is the dwarf categories. So dwarf category, dwarf 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 planet. What are the dwarf planets? So Pluto is in the category of dwarf planet. There are dozens of moons, millions of asteroids, comets, and meteoroids. These are in the category of the dwarf planets. Dwarf planets are the planets which has no moons, just like Pluto. Pluto has no moons, so it is in the dwarf category. Dwarf planet is known as a dwarf planet. And other planetary system in the orbiting other stars in the Milky Way. Let's study in detail about statistics of the solar system. Statistics that the first of all sun and 9 other planets revolve around it in different orbits. So sun age is about 5 billion years. About 5 billion years. Distance is about 149.8 million kilometers. Total the distance. Diameter of the sun is 1,38,400 kilometers. 1,38,400 kilometers. The temperature of the photosphere is 5770 Kelvin, not centigrade. It is the Kelvin. And core temperature is 15 billion Kelvin. What is the photosphere temperature? Photosphere temperature of the sun, temperature varies between, that is the 5770. Sun's photosphere temperature is 5770 Kelvin. And it varies from the top of the photosphere to the bottom of the photosphere state of the sun. The 4,000 to 6,000 is 5770. This is the upper layer, and 4,000 is the minimum. Rotation, as seen from the Earth at the equator, its rotation is the 25.38 days. It is at the equator, from Earth's equator, and near the poles the rotation is 33 days. You have to distinguish these two things, that from the Earth at the equator it is 25.38 days, and rotation near the poles it is 33 days. And the sun consists of 71% of hydrogen, 26.5% helium, 2.5% of other elements. Rays of the sun takes about 8 minutes to reach the Earth. This question is asked in every GK, each and every GK papers. That is how much time a ray of the sun takes to reach the Earth. It means it takes 8 minutes. It takes 8 minutes to reach the Earth. So this is about the Sun. Its age is 5 billion years, distance is 149 million kilometers, diameter is 1,38,400 kilometers. Photosphere temperature is 5,770 Kelvin. Core temperature is 15 billion Kelvin. Absolute visual magnitude is 4.75. Rotation from the Earth's equator 25.38 days, and rotation near the pole 33 days. It consists of hydrogen 71%, helium 26.5%, other elements 2.5%, and the sun rays takes 8 minutes to reach the Earth. Then are the planet. As you are seeing in the figure, there are planet. The nearest planet is the Mercury. Average distance to Sun is 57.6 million kilometers, and its diameter is 4,849.6 kilometers. Period of revolution is 88 days. Period of rotation is 58 days, 15 hours, 30 minutes, 34 seconds. It is the nearest planet to the Earth. Then second is the Venus. Venus is known as a morning or the evening star. It is the brightest star of the Earth, of the planet. It is the brightest star of the planet. Brightest star of the planet. Its diameter is 12,032 kilometers. Period of revolution is 225 days, and period of rotation is 243 days, 14 minutes. Then is the Earth. Equatorial diameter is 12,756 kilometers. Polar diameter is 12,714 kilometers. Distance from the sun is 149,597,900 kilometers, near about 14 billion kilometers. Period of revolution is 365 days, 5 hours, 48 minutes, 45.51 second. Period of revolution is near about 365 days, but it's more than 365 days. That is 5 hours, 48 minutes, 4.09 seconds. And period of rotation is 23 hours, 56 minutes and 4.09 seconds. So here, what is the revolution and the rotation? Revolution refers to an object spinning motion about its own axis. Rotation. If any object that revolves around its own axis, like sun, like Earth revolves around its own axis, that is the 23 hours, 56 minutes, 4.59 seconds. But it revolves about the sun 365 days, 5 hours, 48 minutes, 45.51 seconds. So if an object's orbital motion are around another object, then that is the revolution. Revolution and rotation. Rotation means the object revolves around its own axis. Revolution means the object revolves around other objects. Then mass 65.6755.2 kilometers. Distance from the sun is 225.6 million kilometers. Period of revolution is 687 days. It means it takes one revolution around the sun in 687 days. And period of rotation is 24 hours, 37 minutes, 22.663 seconds. Jupiter is the largest planet. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. Its diameter is 141,968 kilometer. Distance from the sun is 772.8 million kilometers. Period of revolution is 119 years, and period of rotation is 9 hours 50 minutes 30 seconds. It means it's very fast around its axis. Around its axis, it takes only 9 hours 50 minutes 30 seconds. But around the sun, it takes 11.9 years to complete a one circle. Saturn is discovered by Galileo. Its diameter is 119,296 kilometers. And distance from the sun is 1417.6 million kilometers, 1417. Period of revolution is 29.5 years. And period of rotation is 10 hours 14 minutes. Around its axis, it only takes 10 hours and 14 minutes. And Uranus, its diameter is 52,096 kilometer, 52096 kilometer. Distance from sun is 2852.8 million kilometers. Period of revolution 84 years. It takes 84 years to complete its round around the sun. But period of rotation around its axis, it takes only 16 hours 10 minutes. The Neptune diameter is 49,000 kilometers. Distance from the sun is 4497 million kilometers. Period of revolution 165 years. It takes less time, more time. It takes more time because it is far away from the sun. And period of rotation is 18 hours 26 minutes. Then the Pluto, it is known as a dwarf planet, and this is the coldest and smallest of all planets. It is also the most distant one. Diameter is 3040 kilometer, its diameter, and its distance from the sun is 5865.6 million kilometers. Period of revolution is 248 years. This completes one cycle around the sun, 258 years. And period of rotation is 6 days, 9 hours and 18 minutes. And one more about the moon. Moon is Earth satellite. Its period of rotation and period of revolution are the same. Both are the same. 29.5 days. So dear students, I hope that the information about the solar system is useful for us and you enjoyed with this information. So like this, for more information, to watch the more information or to see the more information, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, that is the Homelands. And also go to our Facebook page, facebook.com/Homelands. Thank you.